Litany by Billy Collins. You are the bread and the knife, the crystal goblet and the wine. You are the dew on the morning grass and the burning wheel of the sun. You are the white apron of the baker and the marsh bird suddenly in flight. However, you are not the winds in the orchard, the plums of counter on the house of cards, and certainly you are not the pine-scented air. There's just no way you are the pine-scented air. It is possible that you are the fish under the bridge, maybe even the pigeon on the general said, but you are not even close to being the field of cornflowers at dusk. And a quick look at the mirror will show that you are neither the boots in the owner nor the boat asleep in its boathouse. It might interest you to know, speaking plentiful imagery of the world, the time, the sound of the rain of the roof. I also happen to be the shooting star, and the evening paper blowing down an alley, and the baskets of chestnuts fall on the kitchen table. I am also the moon in the trees, and the blind woman's teacup. But don't worry, I am not the bread and the knife. You will be always the bread and the knife. You are still the bread and the knife. Not to mention somehow the crystal goblet and somehow the wine.